inspiring story of a Jewish rabbi, Jewish businessman, rabbi, and very affluent person in Madinatul Munawwarah. Last few times, those of you who went to visit in Umrah with myself, we have been visiting some gardens outside the city of Medina. The gardens, the 7 gardens, where one of them, where these ajwa originates from, ajwa dates and things, Alia and other beautiful name of those 7 gardens. Or they belong to the Prophet ﷺ, these gardens. This is also related to Uhud. Because Rasulullah ﷺ said, I will protect everyone in Medina, Jewish, non-Muslim, Christian, the protection. And here we are today, even Muslims are not protected by Muslims. That is why collectively you are saying this suffering, Allah is still on our side, but we have put ourselves into in the trouble. So this Jewish imam or rabbi, because this battle of Uhud was fought on the day of Saturday. It was the day of Saturday. So he said that, look, we have this truce, we have this contract with the Prophet ﷺ to protect each other. Today, now the non-Muslims or the other kuffar have come to attack Muslim and Medina. It is upon us that we go, we as a Jewish people, we go and actually protect the city, because it's a common thing. They said, made an excuse, oh, we are worshipping, we are busy, it's our day of Saturday, like we worship on Friday. It's Saturday, we don't fight on this day, etc., etc. He said, I am the rabbi, I am a scholar. I am saying that we have, if there is no Medina, nothing, where will your worship go? So they said, we are not going. So he said, he was a rich man. He had many gardens, many other wealth. He said, gather them all. He said, bear witness. I am your rabbi, imam. I am going to the battle of Uhud, defending the city of Medina with the Prophet ﷺ. If I come in safety and I'm well, that's fine anyway. If I do not, if I become martyred, if I become killed, then all my property is a gift to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Remember, no one is going to take my property, even my children, no one. It's all go to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And my wealth and the land and the gardens. So he wrote or made a will and he went there. This is a strange story. He fought from the side of Muslim, being a Jewish person, protecting the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And when Khalid ibn Walid attacked, he was also killed. And when the Sahaba saw this is a body of a Jewish, he was known as a rabbi and as a very influential person in Jewish community. And when they informed the Prophet ﷺ that Mukhayyirik, his name was something like Mukhayyirik, also came to protect the city, and in your love, O Prophet of Allah, that so much so that he left all his legacy, all his financial property, a thing to you. The Prophet ﷺ said that he is amongst the best of Jewish people. Khairul Yahud.